What's up everyone, welcome to the club and thanks for joining me in today's drawing tutorial. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to draw Tiffany from Child's Play. Let's begin this lesson in the center of our page and draw on the eyes. We're gonna start over on the left side. Let's draw a circle, starting from the very top. So draw that circle coming down towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So line up the top of the circle, bring that all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, just going to bring this in, and then back out. And we'll line that up on the right. And I'll add a small circle in the center of each eye, the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. I just want to tuck that in behind that highlight. Now I'm going to add some thick lashes around the outside of the eye. Let's start from the top left. Just going to taper this so it gets wider along the side, and just pull that up along the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going around the eye, and then tucking that in, and we'll fill the outside in black. Now let's add a pointed lash along the side. Starting from the top left, come down, and bend that up. Come down and then back in towards the side, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down and then up. Pull that back in toward the side, and we'll fill that in. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside of the brow. Let's start from the top of the eye on the left, come down, and then just bend that up, go to the right, and do the same thing. And now we're going to draw the eyebrow on top of the eyes. Let's start from the outside, curve this up, and then just bend that down towards the brow, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add the nose in the center of the face. Line up the bottom of the eye, start over on the left, curve the nose, coming down, and then up. Now I want to step up and draw a short curve going up and down from the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw the top of the mouth. Starting back over on the left, bring this down, and then up. Now I thicken up the upper lip. In the center, step up, we draw a V going up towards the side. Now from the top, we bend this down and out towards the side of the mouth, and we'll fill the lip in black. Let's add the teeth. Starting back over on the left, come down, and then up. Go back over toward the left, come down towards the bottom of the lip, and back up, and then we'll fill the inside of the lip. Now from here, we're going to move up to the top and draw the edge of the hairline. We're going to start in the center. Let's start with a point. From here, we're going to curve this down toward the left eye, and bend that out. I'm just going to round this out, come down, and then pull that in. Let's take that curve and draw the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, come down and out, around the eye, then just around the side, and then back in. Now we're going to tuck the head in underneath the hair. From the left eye, we're going to step out, draw a large half circle. Come down, just bend that in underneath the lip, go across, and we'll just pull that up on the right. Let's pull the head straight up underneath the hair. Now I want to see the bottom edge of the ears underneath the hair. Starting back over on the left, come down, and bend that in. Now I'm going to move back up to the top and draw the outside of the hair. From the center point, draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top of the head. And then from the center, we're going to go all the way around the left side, come down, and just pull that in. So start with the left side, going up, come down the side, and bring the hair coming down, and we'll curl that in. Let's draw that same curve over on the right, starting from the center, going up, down the side of the head, and we'll bend that in. Let's add some points across the bottom of the hair. Starting back on the left, bend this out, and then up. And from this point, come back in with a short curve. Bend that out and up underneath the head. Now you want to tuck that collar underneath the chin. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. And we'll fill the inside of the collar in black. Now from here we draw the top edge of the dress. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve. Bring this down in the middle, and then bend that back up. From the ends, draw a straight angle line going up and in. And then again, we'll connect those 2 points with that same curve. Now from the top corners, we're going to step in, curve the shoulders, going up and in underneath the head. And then from the side of the collar, bend this out and then down. I'm going to move to my ultra fine point marker and add a small heart on the left side. Now you want to tuck the body in underneath the fold. We're going to line up this line along the bottom, go out and down towards the hip, line up the right side, go out and down towards the same height. And pull this in and then down towards a center point. Let's go back up to the top of the body, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle coming in and then out for the thumb. Let's add a small bracket on the ends. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we'll start from the bottom curve of the thumb, and come down and up around that bracket. And we'll add 2 more fingers along the outside. And down and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we'll go around and just pull that up underneath that fold, leaving a little overlap on the outside. Let's add the cuff. From the top of the thumb, we're going to go up and then down. And now from here, we're going to draw the side of the dress in behind the arms. From the hips, curves out and then down. And I want to continue that curve underneath the hand, going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's add 2 pleats along the inside. We step up, goes out, and then bring that all the way down towards the bottom. Let's connect these 2 lines with a curve, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to go out to the side. We're just going to tuck this in, coming down and then in on both sides. And then we'll go back and add some more texture to the hair. We'll start from the outside, bend this up, and then in. From the bottom of the ears, we're going to add a curve, coming down. And then we'll add some texture along the top. Start from the center, going up and out toward the left. Step up, cut it again. And I'm just going to go in between and go over towards the right. And once our drawing is complete, we'll add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Tiffany from Child's Play. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.